Okay, we're going to test the Evernew titanium stove with the simmer pan down, simmer tube down. I got 20 milliliters of fuel in there, and I've got 2 cups of water here at about 68 degrees. Light it up. We'll start the timer, and we'll see how long it takes to boil the water in this configuration. Okay, it actually took about 56 seconds for the flame on the stove to come all the way to full flour. So I'm not sure why that took so long. Usually it doesn't take that long. But here we go. Okay, it's been about a minute, 3 minutes and a quarter. And the flame is going good. You can see that. I'm going to get you up closer so you can take a look at the flame. It's got a good coverage of the pot. So far, no sign of a boil, of course, but it is steaming a little bit. Okay, we now have 6 minutes and 30 seconds. And we're starting to get a boil here, light boil. It took almost a minute for the stove to come to full flour for some reason, so maybe it was cold. That normally doesn't take that long. We're going to try this test with a different configuration and see how it does once it cools down. Okay, so 7 minutes and 20 seconds, and it's at basically a full boil now. Now it took almost a minute for the stove to come to a full flour, so maybe that's 6.5 minutes if you don't count that, but the stove might have been cold. I had it in the basement. So we're going to try it again with a different configuration after this cools down and see what we get. Right now we've got a boil and the fuel is just about burned out. There's also quite a bit of fuel actually. That was 20 milliliters, which is 4 teaspoons. Alright, this time we've got the Evernew DX configured with the simmer tube up. Got 20 milliliters of fuel in there. And I've got 2 cups of water at 68 degrees, and we will start the timer. Turn out the light, you can see the flame a little better, and we'll see how long it takes for the flame to blossom on the stove. Now it's getting a little better airflow in there, I can see already. Okay, it's 52 seconds and the stove is going pretty much full force. As you can see, much better flame than before. We'll see if it boils the water faster this way. Okay, 3 minutes 31 seconds. It's going pretty good here. Much better than before, so perhaps this configuration is much better. There's no doubt about it. So, simmering the water already at under 4 minutes. 4 minutes 14 seconds, and the water is beginning to boil already. Now that is light. That's a boil. At 4 minutes 35 seconds. Significantly faster than the other way. All right, so